Vimeo Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a video creator, the Vimeo app promises to bring professional-grade video management and streaming to your fingertips, but how effective is it on mobile? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming Vimeo is only for desktop uploads. With the app, you can upload, manage, and share videos directly from your device, and even adjust privacy settings and metadata on the go. Another advantage is analytics. You can track views, engagement, and watch time, which is essential for creators looking to optimize their content. Collaboration is also supported. You can comment, review, and approve projects directly in the app, making teamwork flow smoother. However, there are cons. Some users find video editing features limited compared to the desktop platform, and large uploads can sometimes take longer than expected. Also, advanced account management, like adjusting billing or subscription plans, is easier on the web. In conclusion, the Vimeo app is a valuable tool for creators who want flexibility and on-the-go management. The surprising truth is that while it's excellent for uploads and analytics, it doesn't fully replace the desktop experience for advanced editing or account tasks. For anyone producing videos regularly, this app enhances productivity, but don't rely on it as your sole platform for professional-grade editing.